Visit the shop at tessera.biz. Purchase the letterhead of choice and download it to your machine. Open the letterhead in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click on the placeholder for the logo and select an image for your company logo. If you do not have a logo, simply click in the image and clear the image, in which case you can put your company's address and name in the address field. Next, indicate your web address and any other uniform resource locators or web addresses that are important to you, including Facebook and Instagram. And then simply edit the body of the letter. Be sure to save your work, indicating the location and the file name that you would like to use for your letter. That way, the letter can be edited later or even printed.